Keyboard shortcuts allow you to quickly complete tasks in Camtasia Studio. For example, if you want to record your screen, you can simply press F9 from your keyboard. To stop recording, simply press F10. In this timeline, here we see a video. To play this marker and see this in our canvas, you can simply press space. If you want to split any portion of the video, you can simply press S. Just click on your video clip and press S for splitting. To undo anything, simply press Ctrl+Z. There are various keyboard shortcuts available in Camtasia Studio. I just talk about the most important 5 keyboard shortcuts. Check out all keyboard shortcuts in our next lecture. Hopefully, you will be able to do your video editing faster using keyboard shortcut in Camtasia Studio. Thanks for watching.